Judith Bond. My business is Judith Bond Cakes, and we've been trading for about 2.5 years. Yes, lots of support from Business Wales and from Conway County Borough Council as well. Lots of help from both. A little bit of financial, but mostly training, marketing. I would say the greatest achievement so far is to develop the business into the corporate events. Yeah. So the challenge is the fact that I'm a sole trader. Before I had the business, I was an employee of a big organisation and had to worry about any of that. Now it's just me, and if I get a bad day or a headache or something, nothing happens. Yeah. It's just me. So that brings a level of stress really that you have to work through. We choose a lady called Peggy Portion, who is a cake decorator. She has a cake parlour in Belgravia in London, and it's Pink Cake Wonderland. And she's got a really good business model. It's all about relationships. That's what I've learned through training with the marketing. It's less about selling and more about building relationships and looking after your customers.
And
just allow the business to evolve at your own pace. And you've got everything to do. You're head of everything in a small business. It's difficult. So I think I've had to sort of take a step back and think, well, I can't do everything, so I'll just focus on this for now, and then next year we'll do that. Just look what you do. I mean, I've started